Hello kids, welcome back to my channel Learn with Pahadi. Today we are learning counting 1 to 20 counting. This is our colors. Red color, yellow color, dark green color, pink color, blue color, baby pink color, sky blue color and purple color, black color, green color, brown color. लास्ट में आता है ऑरेंज कलर. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 19 20 21